Hi, my name is Julie Stigmeyer, and I work with the writing studio at Concordia University, Irvine. Today I'm going to share a quick writing tip as part of a series so you can incorporate best practices of scholarly writing into your own work. In this quick video, I will discuss where an APA citation is placed within a paragraph with a long paraphrase. When you need several sentences to paraphrase an outside source, we use an APA guideline called the long paraphrase. The paraphrase may take up most of a paragraph. In these cases, you refer to the work at the first mention in the paragraph, not at the end. I often hear from students that this is not what they were taught, and that was true for me too. The specific guideline is, once the work has been cited, it is not necessary to repeat the citation as long as the context of the writing makes it clear that the same work continues to be paraphrased. So in other words, you don't need a citation at the end of every sentence if it's the same source. Here's an example of how a long paraphrase should look. You can see that the narrative citation is placed at the very beginning of the paragraph, not at the end. So where can you get help with long paraphrases? In Concordia's online writing lab, The OWL. Access the Writing Studio's website and make an appointment. See helpful links in the description of this video for more information and assistance.